lawyer needs this WhatsApp AI assistant. Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. If you're a lawyer or have a legal consultancy business, then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I will show you how you can create an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant that you can even attach on your website that is going to resolve your customers' inquiries 24/7 even when you're sleeping. Without wasting any time, let's dive into how this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant is firstly going to work, and then I'll tell you the entire process of how you can create this amazing assistant step by step, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. So do not leave in the between. Stay tuned till the end of this video where we learn how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. Okay? So now this is my AI assistant, and towards the assistant I will ask my first question, that is, how long does it take to draft an agreement? So I'm going to ask my first question right over here towards this bot, and I will wait for the reply right now. It says the time it takes to draft an agreement can vary based on the complexity and the specifications involved. Generally, simple agreement can be drafted within few hours, while more complicated agreement may take several days. If you have specific type of agreement in mind, I can provide you more tailored information. I have another question, that is, do you draft rental agreements? Okay, so let me ask this another question to this AI assistant, and I will wait for the reply. It will take few seconds, and you can see, yes, we do draft rental agreements. If you need assistance with that, please let me know with the details. I can guide you through the process. Okay, I have another question, that is, do you provide legal services in Mumbai? Okay, so I'm asking this bot my last question that I have. So I'll wait for the reply from this bot now. Yes, we provide legal services in Mumbai. If you need assistance, specific legal matter, have any questions about our services, feel free to ask. Okay. So now this bot is replying to all the questions and inquiries I have automatically, and this is how this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, AI WhatsApp chatbot, is going to work for you. Okay. So now in this video, I'll show you the entire process of how you can create this amazing AI assistant as well. Simply on a new tab, browse www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now over here, before we create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, I want to talk about Pabbly Community, which is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can ask questions, share feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. On the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you will have two options. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly, then do not worry. You can create this bot for absolutely for free, because as you're going to sign up for free from here, you will get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button, and then you will see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. What is Pabbly Chatflow? It is an amazing tool using which businesses can easily and efficiently manage their WhatsApp conversations. Over here, in order to start using Pabbly Chatflow, you have to add your WhatsApp number. For that, click on this Add WhatsApp Number, where you will find two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn how you can set up your entire Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, you will find the links of the tutorials in the description section below. Pabbly Chatflow also provide with multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, and settings. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the video links added in the description section below. To create an AI assistant, simply go towards this AI assistant section of your Pabbly Chatflow account right here. After coming to the AI assistant section, click on this Add AI assistant section button. Firstly, it is asking for my assistant name. So for the assistant name over here, I will write it as every lawyer needs this WhatsApp AI assistant. Okay, I'll add the assistant from here. Then the AI assistant is going to be created. There are certain sections that you need to complete in order to create this AI assistant. That is AI instructions. That's the first section. Firstly, we need to select the instruction type. Mine is AI agent, so I'll select it. If you want to select any other instruction type right over here, you can definitely do that. As soon as you will select the type, the roles and responsibilities of that instruction type will appear right over here. If you want to edit, eliminate some points or add in some points, you can definitely do that. Okay. Next is AI configuration. First is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1, 0 being focused replies, 1 being creative replies. I want to reply between 0 and 1, so I'm going to select 0.5. AI to use, OpenAI is going to be the AI to use. Model, I want to use GPT-4o mini. You can use other models details as well. Then we have to provide the API key. To have the API key, go towards the hyperlink in the help desk and you will land towards the OpenAI API keys page. Remember, in order to create this AI assistant, you should have a paid account with OpenAI. Then only this AI assistant is going to work for your business as well. Okay, create the key from here. Firstly, you have to name the key. For the name of the key, I'll give it as new project default permission all. Create the key from here. Simply then the key is going to be generated. Copy this key, paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. Okay, as soon as you will do that, it says OpenAI key saved successfully. Now it is asking for AI assistant settings. If you want like the text that can be forwarded like this, if you want a header and footer permanently added in the section, you can toggle these buttons on and add your text. Okay, stop keyword. So let's suppose you want to give your customer or lead a chance to stop the usage of this AI assistant. You can just toggle this button on and enter the stop keyword. Let's suppose stop, press the enter key to save it, and if the customer sends this keyword, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop and close. Okay, retry attempt. If you want that, you can add that fallback message. So let's suppose this API key is not responding, then this fallback message is going to be forwarded. Okay, only then it's going to be forwarded. Knowledge source. Now knowledge source is a very important section. Knowledge source is a document in which you have given every single detail about your business. So I have a legal consultancy and I have given every single detail about my legal consultancy in this document right here. Now I have created this a dummy document. You can create more detailed document, more bigger than this. This is just 8 pages. You can create it n number of pages. If it doesn't have any pictures, you can create n number of page document in which you can briefly describe about every service, anything that you want that this AI assistant should know and have a knowledge of, added into this document. So we are going to add this document right over here. So let me upload that document right here. This is the document. I will open it. Okay, and as you will open it right over here, you will see the knowledge source is going to be added under the knowledge sources section. This is the document. If you will see the vector ID, that means this document has been added successfully. Two types of format Pabbly Chatflow accepts: TXT and PDF. If PDF has images, then the PDF file, the document has the limit of 10 pages only. Okay, after knowledge source, next is assistant interface. Assistant interface and styling is used if you are using this AI assistant on your website. You can see on websites there are buttons like this. If you're going to click on it, the support AI is going to appear like this. If you want to make changes, you can change it through the assistant interface and styling. I want to add the brand name right over here. So my brand name, my business name is what? Legal East Consultancy Services. So I'm going to add this and you can see it has changed right here. Okay, if you want to change this text, add another initial message or edit this one, you can do that from here. If you want to enable or disable powered by Pabbly, you can do it from here. If you want a hyperlink like this, you can add the text as well as the link like this. Okay, so now let's suppose the customer has directly contacted this AI assistant instead of going through this interface from your website. So what will be their first initial messages? You have to enter that usual initial message in this field. Okay, now after that, styling. If you have a business and it's like color coded, you have specific colors that tells about your business. So you can change the colors, backgrounds, pictures, shapes, everything from this styling section. AI assistant is created. Yes, this is how simple it is. Now to activate this AI assistant, simply toggle this button on and save the AI assistant from here. And as soon as you will do that, the AI assistant is created successfully. Now if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, go to embedded. This is the script, copy this script. You have to add the script into your website code and the assistant will be added there as well. Okay, now this AI assistant is created and now we're going to test this AI assistant again. For that, again through my WhatsApp, I will ask certain questions towards this AI assistant and let's check whether how is this AI assistant responding to all my queries. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp and my first question is, can I send my documents on WhatsApp for review? I will wait for the reply from this bot now. I've sent the question right here. Yes, you can send your documents on WhatsApp for review. You can see I've received the reply. I have another question, that is, what are your office locations in Delhi? So let me ask this another question right over here. I will wait for the reply from this bot now. We have 2 offices locations in Delhi. You can see the locations are provided to me. Okay, I have one last question left, that is, do you maintain client confidentiality? I will ask this last question right over here towards this bot and wait for the reply from this bot now. And I've received the reply, yes, we maintain strict client confidentiality. All clients' data, case details, shared documents are kept private and protected according to ethical and professional standards. Okay, so I have received the reply from this bot successfully. That means this AI assistant has now been created successfully. Okay, now over here, if you want this bot should be automatically assigned to those people who directly contact this bot instead of going from the website. What you have to do is go to settings section and go towards the inbox settings section right over here. And inbox settings, you will find the option that is AI auto reply settings. You have to enable this button right over here, enable it on. And if you want, you can see I've added the contact list, all contacts, and select this AI assistant from the drop down and save it from here to all contacts. This AI assistant is automatically going to be assigned. Okay, with that, if you want that this AI assistant should be only allotted to one person, to one customer or the lead, for that what you have to do is go towards the inbox section. After coming to inbox, you can see click on any of the contact, toggle this choose AI assistant on, and assign this person the AI assistant that you want to individually assign this AI assistant to. Okay, and as I've done that, this means the AI assistant has now been created successfully inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and now you can create this assistant as well. If you have questions or doubts related to this AI assistant that I've created in this video, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.